To accomplish my clients' unique design dreams, I chose contemporary materials and the use of clean lines. Every design element is also functional, like the vertical wood slats over certain windows to create privacy. As we enter the backyard, the first thing you will notice is the outdoor fireplace, creating a focal point for an additional gathering space for my clients. Not only are the clean lines of the exterior a contemporary design choice, they also allow us to take advantage of every square foot of the available space. The entryway was a special focus of the design to be welcoming and immediately integrate the exterior design aspects into the interior space. As you enter the lobby, you will immediately walk into the main living spaces. The expansive view will open up in front of you. One of the main features that I really love about this home is the surface area of the glass that we've got. The use of large windows not only brings natural light into the home, but creates interest in texture to the exterior design as well. We use a complementary vertical wood slat divider to accentuate each space. As we continue into the heart of the home, you can see the family room opens up with a 22 feet ceiling height. The impressive fireplace is cased in highly functional tiles that match the contemporary design, including the vertical slats on each side. The luxury kitchen, with its hidden refrigerator and contemporary cabinets, opens up to a family eating area, the backyard and the impressive family room. For the floating stairs, we chose glass railings and a massive window to guarantee the most possible light while on the staircase and especially down into the basement. In the walkout basement, you can see we've taken advantage of every opportunity to bring natural light into the space, including the digging of window wells on the exterior. One of the features is the surface area of the glass. One? Yeah.